drum roll.
A drum roll. All right, the first number is 676. Anyone here?
676 is Laura Batchelder.
Where are you here, Laura? Your neighbor. How great is that?
Nice. So she won a $250 gas card. And she can pick it up at the Welcome Center.
Another one, the 600s, 602.
Drum roll. 602 is Teresa Hackett.
Teresa Hackett. She gets what?
She gets another gift card for a gas gift card for $250.
And the next two are other tickets, right?
Right. Each person gets 2 extra tickets.
All right, 285 for 2 extra tickets. You're kind of slow, Eloise.
285, Betty Nery.
Betty Nery. And back to the 600s again. 625.
625 is Nan Werner.
Nan Werner?
Werner. So she gets 2 extra tickets.
I know Nan very well. So Nan gets 2 extra tickets. So thank you, Eloise. And Camilla, I couldn't see you behind the... I know Camilla as well as I know myself. And so Eloise and Camilla, all of that team, give them a nice sign of gratitude. Thank you.
Thank